So guys, I ordered some Legos from Amazon and here they are. We go to party now and they are now here, and this is the Lego bag floor, and there are small parts. 1500 Legos smaller here, and this big has 8 pieces of it. So now we are wasting time, so just let's unlock it. Yeah. I think I can just log it right out from here. Okay. This tape. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Let's take out this tape also. Log it. I'm putting it in this box back. There we go. And I'm putting this in the box back. And this is some kind of paper. I like this sound of this paper. I like it. So this. Just now. And box this. Here. Sorry guys, I take a break because I don't know how to unbox it. So finally I did unbox it. Let's go. Here we are. Ooh, I'm seeing my Legos. Yeah. Oh, ooh, there we are. And now I need to put this all in this box. Let me get the scissors. Cut it. I'm done right now. Just put all of this stuff in it. Let's go. I'm going to show you guys. Woo. And now let's just unbox this answer, and I got this right over here. Wait, let me now just clean this trash and put this scissor back in this drawer. Wait. So guys, I got this little paper, and they said you can make this plant, and I don't want to build this, and fish and helicopter and rocket and a ferry and an elephant. Hey, this is elephant. I don't think so. Now just this. So let me just put this camera right over here. Okay, now just open it. You can read this. There are 8 in this. So see, yellow, and we have little dot too. So we have little dot, and we have in this little dot here. We can just build it. Sorry, this is the wrong piece. I get the right piece. Yeah, I get this small part and thick, and just build it right over here. See, it's attached. You can just do like this, and it can't fall, and you can just remove it. But now it's going to be so hard. And in this 8 pieces, there are yellow, and once again a yellow, and a green, and a green, and a blue, and this blue, and these 2 gray. Bye bye.